In this video, I'm going to show you how to text your location on iPhone. So if you want to do this through Google Maps, make sure you open Google Maps and choose any random address. Once you have chosen it, click on this share button and then click on messages and then send it to whoever you want to share this information to. So I'm going to send it to this person, and now if I go to my messages, this is how it looks like. So I can open it and it will be pinned right where we left off. Same thing we can do with Apple Maps. So choose location, click on the share icon, messages, send it to whoever. And again, if I want to check it out, this is now from Apple Maps. Just a moment. If I click on it, it's going to open me the exact location. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.